Okay, so I'm back. I've got the P365 BB gun. Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to attempt to take the slide off and put it back on again. Just keep it in frame, kind of fix the last video I did. Okay, I think we gotta get this pin out of there. Looks like I'm not really set up to do this. And here we go. Is an awl. Is that all I need? Stuff out of the way. Been displaced. Been working on my house. Punch set. Alright, here. Well, since all the punches are up, let's see what we got. That looks pretty good. That looks too big. Okay, here we go. I think all we gotta do is beat this out the back. Beating it too much. I think that's what I gotta do to take it apart. Okay, well. Okay, am I still in the frame? Okay, good. Here we go. Right there. Pin. Huh. Okay, well, I don't know if that was the wrong side to be bashing through the whole other side. Maybe it works better if I put it through that side. All right. Anyway, further ado, I want to do this slow. Okay, so we got a pin. Let's keep it in frame. Okay. I'm going to, oh. All right, so we'll stop right there. This is the back piece. This is the back safety. So that'll be the right safety. All right. Then let's lift up again. I'm gonna try to keep everything where it's supposed to be. Wait a minute. If I could stop right there. Let's change my camera a little bit. Okay. So we keep it in frame right there. All right, so zoom in just a tad. And here we are. I don't want to completely disengage this thing yet. I want people to be able to zoom in and see where the stuff is. Okay, that piece is right there. I think that was one of the biggest problems that I had. You've got to get this stuff here. So let's stop right there. All right, so this thing sits here like that. Okay. Here's the front. So set this down. There's our spring. So I think that was one of the biggest problems that I had originally, was right in here. This is how this stuff's supposed to look. And when I was putting it back together, I actually had to set it up and make it look like this. So this thing right here, whatever this is, I mean, I'm a layman. I don't know. If you know, put it in the description at the bottom. You know, this is the orientation this has to be. And you have to move the springs there, and you have to set this piece in here. At least the only way I've ever been able to find to put it in back into this gun is to set it up so this little piece and these springs are all right aligned, just like that. Here. I'm gonna slowly give people a run around. Okay. And then I lose the spring. All right. There goes the spring tension for that. And then this piece comes off. Okay. And that's just the housing. Okay. So let's zoom in on this piece. I think when I was trying to put it together originally, there was something where this was moved. So I just want to give you a good overview on like what it looks like before it gets moved. Like this spring stuff does something. Like it moves, and then if it's not in this like exact spot. Okay, I went off camera for a second. I haven't changed anything. Okay, I'm trying to keep this on camera. Sorry, I'm filming from a phone, so anyway. If it's not exactly like that, then it won't go back in. Okay. And then of course this piece goes in here. Here, let's zoom out. Okay. Of course, this piece slides into this rail like that. around that white thing. And then you've got to get these safeties. So like the left hand side safety looks like this piece. The right hand side safety looks like this piece. The right hand side safety also has this underneath of it. I don't know if I'm showing that right. They have a little spring. And then you kind of set it on this piece right there, like this piece right here, and you slide it into the gun. I don't know, I've kind of gone slow because I want to show people what's going on. Like, sorry about my first video, but there's something this piece does. It's really weird. There it is, right there. That little disengage where you just heard that click. Now this thing won't go back together. There's something tripped out about it now. It's like moved forward or something. Like this piece is loose. I remember when I was like trying to figure it out the first time, maybe push that forward. This piece right here. I think that's it. Okay. I think that's what you do. You come from the back. I think that's it. And this piece gets tripped forward, so you push it in. It's this little metal piece right here. I think that's what tripped me up the first time, because I couldn't put it back together on that first video. It's some sort of a leverage piece. Like here's the back end of where the gun is, the back end. And this gets popped forward. And when that's popped forward, I think I fought it. But once that's moved back, like you just get something in there and you just kind of puts that in place, then you're good to go. This also kind of looks like a good place where you can get rid of this safety. Like if you didn't want a safety on it, you could take that out of there and then just not put that other stuff in. I don't know if that would work, but maybe taking this piece out and not putting the safety pieces in, this thing would work. Anyways, I don't know, I'm already at like 12 minutes the second time. I'm just trying to show you. All right, so now we've got this all in frame. I'm gonna stop the video and then I'll pick it back up in another video and do a reassembly.